Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use P6. Today we are going to learn how to change your Google Chrome icon. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your desktop. Then over here, you can see your Google Chrome icon. Right click on it. There you can see the option of properties. Over here, you can see the option of open file location, and near it change icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of different Chrome icon. You can even browse Chrome icon over here, whichever you want. You can also add any picture you want. Choose any of you would like to keep the same. Tap on OK, then tap on apply, then tap on continue. There you go. Here you can see your Chrome icon has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.